So in today's video, let us learn about why biscuits have holes. Hello, welcome to Smartly Edu. Ever wondered why biscuits have holes in them? Here is your answer. Biscuits have a huge market, and each type has its unique design. Here is the primary reason behind biscuit manufacturers designing biscuits with holes. Biscuits come in various tastes and flavors. Everyone prefers all kinds of biscuits and all ages consume them. Biscuits and crackers come in various shapes, flavors and textures. One characteristic is common among all biscuits, and that is the holes it contains. These tiny holes are usually known as dockers or docker holes. You must have noticed them in a lot of sweet and salty biscuits, as well as in cream-filled biscuits like bourbon. These holes are associated with their manufacturing and design. Different companies utilize their methods to mold them into many shapes and colorations. Scientifically, if holes were not created, heat will not escape and temperature wouldn't be stable in the biscuits, and that may cause crack formation resulting in breaking of biscuits. These were a few reasons why biscuits have holes in them. It helps biscuits to be very crunchy and tasty. These types of biscuits having holes are normally preferred by all people. Flour, sugar, and salt are rolled out in sheets, and these sheets are placed in a machine that ends up putting the hole in the dough. Hole positioning in this process is very important and should be at an equal distance. This will not allow biscuits to be extra hard or soft. The right number of holes will result in a flat, crunchy and crispy that can be enjoyed by each one. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.